you're about to see is the wild horse race here in Window Rock, Arizona. So basically the rule is get your horse saddled and ride your horse from north to south, first one. Say it in Navajo, you say, Lindo Shohin.
And team number one,
wild horse race. Here it is in Window Rock, Arizona.
Walks away number one. All right, everybody help me with the countdown from 1 to 3 and then we'll say go. Everybody help me. 1, 2, 3, go. You gotta go from the north to the south. You gotta go from the north to the south. You have to go from the north to the south in order to win. We've got one man. One man has made it from the north to the south. Only one team. Woo, man. I don't think we're gonna get it turned around today. Talk about wild and woolly west is still alive in Window Rock, Arizona. Let's get one more down safely onto the ground. He's going to try to haze him over. I don't think it's going to work today, though. There he goes. Whoa. 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 Help him out, guys. Get the saddle off the black horse. Get the saddle off the black horse. It is finally down to a close as we welcome back our Cowboy Lifesavers horseback here today. The most important thing is everybody is standing. How did you like the wild horse race on a Saturday?